But. Yo, great vibe last week, great vibe. Um, Trust me. Hope you guys are really enjoying this daily analysis of Gbpjpy. Favorite pair, all the best of favorites, and it's like really the only thing I really trade. I might dabble in stuff here and there, but GJ, me till there, man, I love me some GJ. You know what I mean? From once you sure I love, she just show you back love. You know what I mean? If you cheat on her, she can burn her back hard. She that's spiteful. So just have to just show her love. So pretty vibes. So all the last week, right? We take a lot of downtrend, right? Because we're not downtrend, right? So we're making lower highs and lower lows and all of that niceness. All of last week, lower highs, lower lows. We take a lot of selling opportunities last week. But come Friday, right, I did this markup on Thursday and I came back and show you all the play Friday morning early because I had to show you guys. So last week I showed where price and broke the previous high here, broke the previous high, retest and create a higher low, and we said that we're going to take for a buy, right? So come on now, just look how that buy played out, right? And I post this in the community section, so you guys have to follow the community tab as well, right? To see the type of trades that I'm taking and all of that. So if you free the vibe right here, let's free the vibe from here where it started from all the way up there. That's roughly called 200 pips. 200 pips moves on Friday. You know what I mean? I caught 60. I'm good with that. You know what I mean? So I'm not trying to catch every single thing, you know what I mean? I'm just good with a 1 to 3 years to reward, and that's me. You get me? But through the vibes again. So when it made the option, it created this higher high, right? NFT push it down, retest created a higher low. So this was the low, this low is higher, right? And it push up now and creates a higher high. So we expect it now to retrace and create a higher low back to the trend line. So notice now we're on the opposite side of the trend line now. We're going up, right? So let's get that out of the way quickly. So now that you know that we're in an uptrend now, so we're gonna do things different. So before I get rid of this downward trend line, I want you all to see the vibe, right? So notice here where price was making lower highs and touching the trend line going down, right? So going up is like a reflection. It's like you're looking in the mirror. You see, where I have these money bags, right? Those are the take profit levels that we're going to look at, right? So these are the opposite zone of reaction, right? So we're going to look to take profit here, take profit here, take profit there, take profit there as well. You follow what I'm saying? So these are the levels that we're going to look to take profit coming off the opposite zone, right? So now that you know why I have these money bucks, right? So I say all I do is just use mirror, trend line, support, and resistance. I'll show you this every single day. You know what I mean? I'm not the smartest or anything like that. I'm not, I don't really understand rocket science and all of that stuff. I'm just a simple person. You know what I mean? I just work with my trend line, support, and resistance. Higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows. Whenever the basic trading changes, you know what I mean? I just work with it. It's just simple as that. You know what I mean? So 35 now. So let's go over it now. Now that we're in our uptrend, we know what the money bucks are for. We're in our uptrend. So shift, reach, higher high, retest create a higher low, shift, higher high, retest create a higher low, shift, right? Higher high. Now we're looking for retracement here to create a higher low and then continue up high high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Did not create a higher high, then we look for this low to like probably break around the slow bomb something like this. Shift, retest, lower high, broke this previous low, voiding the definition of option, confirming the definition of a downtrend. How does it continue down the same? That's how I do. You know what I mean? That's all. That's just the same vibe. You know, we're just working with the basic trading. We know that the higher lows maintain an uptrend and the lower highs maintain a downtrend. Whenever those are void, we just look to do the opposite. It's just simple, right? So what we're looking at to start the week, right? Simple. We have higher low right here and create a higher high, right? So we're gonna look to sell, right? So we're gonna look to sell back to this region, right? We're gonna look to sell back to this region, and that's a 80 pip move roughly. You get me? That's a 80 pip move, right? So you know that I'm gonna get up at pre-London. So if this move happen around Asian session, then I'll be happy, right? I'll be happy for that 80 pip move. Wait for support to form right here. I mean, I want to see bottom rejections now. When we're selling, we want to see top rejections to show that they are on the buyers are exhausted. Now we want to see bottom rejections to show that buyers are coming in and that sellers are exhausted, right? And we want to see support form, right? Red candle closure, green candle closure, and then we enter, right? So that's all we're looking for, right? So just keeping it simple. But if I get up at London session and price is still somewhere around here, don't be stupid and try to buy at a resistance now. Come on, right? Don't be stupid and try to buy at a resistance, right? Price just run up 200 pips. It must retrace, right? So we're gonna look to take the retracement back to this zone, right? See it right here. I'm gonna look to take the retracement back to that zone, right? I don't need any Fibonacci's. I don't need any all of that stuff. I just use trend line support and resistance, just block my zones, right? No order blocks, anything like that. I'm just using my eyes. Alright? Just eyes. Alright? That's all I'm using. Just eyes. Yeah? So bam, retrace come down here. Alright, if price is moving somewhere around here around pre-London, gonna sell back to here. Right? If Asian session price push down to here, yeah, then and we get up a pre-London and price is bouncing here, then we look to continue buy up. Right? So when we come back to here now, follow me now, right? Let me show you how the money zones now coming in, right? So when price now retrace back to here now, right? We're gonna look for it now to push up now, right? So when price retrace to here, then our take profit level is gonna be here. Because if we're in an option, we're expecting this high to break to create a higher high, higher low. You follow me? Bam, bam, back to this take profit level right here, create a higher high, higher low. Back to that take profit level there, higher high, higher low, right? And so on. So that's just simple what I do. You know what I mean? I don't like complication. I just keep it as simple as that, right? So that's the move. You know what I mean? That's the move. So let's go over it again, right? You know that I trade freelance. If you want to take the move from here in the Asian session, that's up to you. But I really trade in the Asian session. I caught this the buy move here in the Asian session. But that's because the setup was just so pretty. You know what I mean? But I'm not gonna try to take a retracement in the Asian session. Hell no. You get what I'm saying now? We're not up. You know what I mean? But if I get a London session and see it, you know what I mean, I'll probably look to take the retracement. You know what I mean? When I know there's some more volume in the market or something like that. See? Yeah? So that's the play that we're looking at. Alright, so let's pull it out. This is the play back to here. Retracement, create a higher low, and looking to continue upwards. Simple as that. Alright, we're in an uptrend now. Alright, remember I said that once we're gone over here in an uptrend. But let's talk about the other scenario. If the market doesn't do that, what if the market comes here, bounce off here, but doesn't respect the low, right? What if the market GJ does something like this, bounce off here, doesn't respect the low, then break the low? So once this higher low has been broken, then the definition of an option would have been void and no longer valid, because it's the higher lows that maintain option, not the higher highs, higher lows. So all we're gonna do, is wait for retracement back to here, to this zone, to create a lower high of projections, wait and resistance to form, green candle closure, then red candle closure, engulfing the green candle, and then just look for yourself to continue down, right? But whenever it breaks this low, you can't just sell, you have to wait on it to retrace, right? Form that lower high, confirming the basic of trading for a downtrend. The same that we did when we wanted to convert the option, wait for it to break the previous high, come back and reach it and get a higher low, right? You have to wait on the transition to complete, right? But for now, we're looking to continue up in the option, right? So, if you have any questions, right? If you have any questions and all of that, drop it in the comment section. You know what I mean? If you have other charts that you want to look at, right? Market up and trading view, right? Come right here, copy the link, drop it in the comment section, tell me to look at it, right? And I'll just do a video something like this, and we can comment on it and just hold a vibe and all of that, right? So we're just holding a vibe, right? Just holding a vibe. Just holding a vibe. So hope you guys are getting value from this, right? Any suggestions or anything like that, just let me know. Forgive me on the audio, right? And you know, I normally have my pretty audio, my pretty camera and all of that, but trust me, when you have a little baby boy that just walk around and try to tear down everything, it's really rough, yo. So it's like I'm just really annoyed to put it up, take it down, put it up, take it down, put it up, take it down. So it's just quicker for me to just get the videos out of the way like this, but you know what I mean? I'm a fool find a remedy to deal with this. You know what I mean? It is what. And the final thing that we have to do now, being that we mark up the chart, know what we're looking for in terms of technical, we have to check the fundamentals. Yeah, so let's go on our calendar and see what the news looking like on next week. Right. Same thing. So Monday is Yang holiday. Look at that, we don't have no form of information, right, for the pound during London sessions. So holiday plus no information for the pound, right? So as much as price might retreat, come down over Monday and all of that, it could, but guess what? I'm gonna avoid trading Monday and I'm gonna wait until Tuesday, right? So I want y'all to follow me. I'm putting y'all on game now, right? Anytime I say holiday, right? Say the hello to the market, right? It means that the high probability that price might just consolidate a lot, consolidate before you even chop, and all that they're gonna get kicked out. Whenever you say holiday, say the hello to the market, right? So we have Japan holiday tomorrow. No form of information, right, for the pound to move the market. You follow me? So we just have to be careful, right? So I'm not gonna trade until Tuesday. Yeah, so I'm not gonna trade until Tuesday. So notice that even though I trade GJ, the pound I filter and put in even the US moves as well, because when King DXY move, we'll fear them on the mother move, right? All the currencies on the mother move. Alright, so we always have to watch what the king on the chessboard is doing, right? So that's King DXY. So we have to, even if we have King DXY, have to watch what the king is doing. You know what I mean? That's King DXY for you. Alright, so Wednesday, that's what we're looking for Wednesday. Alright, nice little, we have some little movement that can happen on Wednesday too, right? Not bad, right? So Wednesday can trade. Oh, Thursday's the big guns. Thursday's the big guns. So look at that gross domestic product GDP. Alright, pretty vibes now. So come Thursday now. Don't try to, I'm not gonna try to trade around 3 London 1 o'clock with this GDP. Heck no. I tell you that I stay far from this thing. You get slipped. So what I like to do is that I like to wait about 5 minutes after the news or 10 minutes thereabout to see if I can find an opportunity to enter, but I'm not gonna try to enter on the same before the news or right, or right at the news, you get your slip, right? So you probably risking 1% and then you lose like 10%. I'm not playing those games, you get me? So I stay far from these high impact news, right? As I stated before, we have 20 trading days, and if I can say 4 or 5 out of them have high impact news, that's still left me with 15, and then probably have some more trade days, you know what I mean? So probably working back down to 12. So I'm good with that, you know what I mean? You have to be wise. So you have to analyze your calendar. We have initial job claims. It's going to probably affect GG as well. That's when the king move, the entire currency and the mother move, right? Friday, more like we're gonna continuously have moves on Friday, following up on the GDP. So we're gonna look for moves on Friday. So let's recap. So Monday is a no trade day. So we're not gonna trade on Monday morning, right? So we're gonna chill until Tuesday morning pre-London, right? We're gonna trade Wednesday as well, but Thursday we're gonna get up and look at the market, but we're not gonna try to enter any trade until about 5 to 15 minutes after the news if there's an opportunity. Sometimes the news GDP might just make the GJ just run away and go on about the business, or we're gonna leave it and make it run about the business and go on, right? So if that's the case, we just leave it, make it run about the business and go on, right? But if we see an opportunity like a setup or something that we can do, we're just gonna take it. Yeah, that's it. You know what I mean? Friday we're gonna be in the market Friday as well. So no trade Monday. Thursday is tentative. We're gonna wait until after the news because we don't want to get slipped. For the other days, we're gonna get up our regular pre-London and get the job done. So, right? So we have to be careful Monday morning that price might be consolidating like something like this, faking out. You understand? Before it actually drop, right? So you don't want to get slipped, especially that we got a big move on Friday. Whenever DJ makes a big move, right? Typically the following day, sometime after like some 200, 300, 400 big move, sometime you're looking for another big move the next day, sometime price will cool down a bit before it starts to move again, you know what I mean? I just chill a little bit. Next day, bomb, Tuesday, bomb, move off again. So let's just be careful. So just follow my guidance, right? And you guys should be alright. Remember, so we've been trading GJ for years, you know what I mean? So we made a lot of mistakes with GJ, you know what I mean? We get a lot of burn, right? So we're just passing on the knowledge so you guys don't make the same mistake, alright? Straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.